In this demonstration, we'll be showcasing the UMD K410 RFID test kit using a chainway RFID reader. To charge the device, use a USB-C cable at the base of the device. To turn the device on, press and hold the power button on the side of the device. To find the RFID tag reading application, swipe the screen up, go to App Center, and select UHF. Select the configuration option. Output power needs to be at the maximum setting, which is 30. Select the 20, change it to 30, and then select Set Power, which saves this setting. To read RFID tags, go to the Scan tab on the top left. You can either use a trigger or press the Start button. Start scanning RFID tags. This list shows the RFID tag number in the EPC memory of the tag. EPC stands for Electronic Product Code and is the RFID number assigned to the RFID tag. Next to each EPC number shows how many times the same tag has been read, noting that the reader is constantly polling or reading the tags. The RSSI number, which is the Return Signal Strength Indicator, tells you how strong the RFID signal is when it reads the tag. Note the number is in decibels. The larger the negative number, the weaker the signal is. So a negative 25 RSSI signal is stronger than a negative 35 signal. The tag number at the top tells you how many individual tags have been read, and the number next to it is the total number of tags read. The tag number is very useful when checking readability during tag testing, as you want to know which orientation produces the best results and has read all the tags when multiple tags are present. Likewise, when there is a single tag, you want to maximize the RSSI signal strength, which is a small negative number. The objective is to experiment. Firstly, compare different RFID tags, including read distance. Secondly, determine what is the best position to place a tag by monitoring the RSSI signal between positions. And lastly, to understand the best orientation of the reader to read tags. Together, this will help determine if your RFID project can reliably read the RFID tags in your environment. To turn the device off, press and hold the power button on the left side.